Back inside the big dome, and at this point, puntahan natin ating kasamahang si Ms. Miyaka Lim with a report.
Yes guys, may sasabihin nga talaga ako sa inyo tungkol kay Chris Alexander. Kasi madami nakapansin na meron siyang kakaibang habit of biting and chewing at toothpick. At take note, hindi lang sa labas ng court, pero pati din sa loob habang naglalaro. Sabi nga kanina ng coaching staff, nagulat daw sila na hindi niya tinanggal yung toothpick the whole practice. Kaya naman naisip nila na baka agimat niya to. Kasi back in the States, ang tawag sa kanya ay the pick. Back to you guys.
Ang tanong dyan, kung yung toothpick dun sa States, yan pa rin ang nasa bibig niya ngayon. Diba?
Pero ano ha? Pero may halong Pinoy siya, toothpick eh. Dahil pag States yan, naka-dental plus lang yan.
I'd rather have yung toothpick kaysa naman nose pick. Mas mahirap yata yun. Ito na yun si James Yap and knocks down that DM Perez.
All of a sudden, itong Pure Foods coming to life. And they have taken control of this quarter. They have erected their biggest lead of the ball game, which is at 8 points.
Ito ngayon si Judy Valenzuela. Open jumper, first 2 points para kay the Hitman. Roger Yap signaling the play. Labas dito si Kirby Raimundo. Alam mo si Kirby Raimundo masyadong conscious dun sa sumusunod na si Chris Alexander. Hindi nakatingin. So another error here for the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Still, itong Barangay Ginebra playing with those 4 small men and just having that 7'1" Alexander command the middle.
And now, with Alexander inside, itong mga shooters sa Barangay Ginebra, mas kumpiyansa tumira sa labas no? Here's Mark Kagiwa. Kagiwa, lead pass to Ronald Tubid. Tubid, headed pass to J.J. Hilterbrand. And a foul dito, pushing foul called against J.J. Hilterbrand.
Well, that's a missed opportunity, 3-on-2 situation for the Gin Kings, unable to consummate. They are already in the penalty.
The fast, the fearless, and the furious. That time, not successful. James Yap will shoot to the line dahil nga po nasa penalty na itong Barangay Ginebra. Of course, James Yap, maraming pinasaya po ito dun sa Bacolod last week during the All-Star weekend. Native of Escalante Negros Occidental. At yan yung mga fans ni James Yap. Todo suporta para sa kanilang idol. James Yap, that 7-point performance actually snapped yung 41-game streak niya of scoring into double figures sa kanyang career. So, syempre, gusto nang bumawi dito ni James Yap.
Bawing-bawi naman dahil first half pa lang. Double digits na agad si James.
At the corner, Ronald Tubid for 3. No. Pati ka ng bola, mapupulot nito si Alexander. He has a good nose for the ball, no? Itong si Chris Alexander. Hilterbrand, they want to go to the post. Here's Alexander. Inside. Wala. Good stop by Kirby Raimundo.
And you can see the 4th guards of Ginebra camping on the 3-point line at mag-isa dun si Chris Alexander sa ilalim.
There's Kirby drawing Alexander out of the paint. Good jumper by Darius Rice. Wala Ika-ika ito si Darius Rice. After that shot, J.J. Hilterbrand sumalag rin ang tira. James Yap binigyan ng screen ni Darius Rice. Evangelista backing down on J.J. Hilterbrand. Kirby puts a 3 short. Hilterbrand na iwan libre.
Sorry, miss.
Nilinis lang yung rim. That's as open as he can get. Ito naman si Roger Yap. Free from the corner. Nakapos rin. Fast break play para sa Barangay Ginebra. Tubid, umangat. No, wala pa rin. Helter-skelter basketball. Here's Kirby Raimundo. Raimundo. Sa naman ang aangat. Nawala ng bola. Good hands coming from Junti Valenzuela.
Obviously, a lot of heavy feet already. Ilang beses na tayo bumaba ng court. Nothing consummated, no baskets. And obviously, I think both teams need this time out.
Yeah, that's right. They want to talk things out. Coach John Wichika and Coach Ryan Gregorio. We still have 4 minutes and 5 here in the first half.